Reusing old tires, covers, planters, and creative and eco-friendly way to a unique limits to your garden. Here are some ideas. Stack tires on top each other, securing them with the bottles or strong edges. Create a vertical garden. Fill each tire with the soil and plants, flowers, herbs, or vegetables. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. 90 addiction. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest interested videos, and also this video share to your friends. Place words on ground and pure my tower shape. Fill them with soil and plant different flowers or succulents in each tray. Hang tire horizontally from a sturdy tree branch fit off with a flower or trailing plants. It's decorative and functional addition to your garden. Dig a hole and partially bury your tires several tires to create a small pond. Line the inside with a pond liner. Fill it with water and add aquatic plant or small fish. Cut tires in half horizontally to create circular borders for garden beds. Paint them in bright colors or leave them as they are. Then place around your garden beds. Fill them with soil and plants. Remember to clean tires thoroughly before using them at the plants and create drainage holes in the bottom to prevent waterlogging. Also consider painting or decorative. The tires match your garden aesthetics. Hanging tire planters are fantastic way to repurpose old tires while adding a unique touch to your garden. Here are simple guide to creative hanging tire planters. Like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon. And also this video share to your friends. You will need all tires, a strong rope of chain, drill hook for hanging pot, soil and your choice of plants. Thoroughly clean the tires, remove dirt and scrubs with soap and water, then let them dry completely. Using a drill make drainage holes in the bottom of each tire, prevent waterlogging, create several holes eventually spaceward. Attach a sturdy hook or eye bolt to beam, tree, branch and another secure structure where you want hang the tires. Use a strong rope of chains to suspend the tire horizontally from the hook. Fill the tire with a potting soil, leaving enough space for the plants. Plant your flower, herbs, or trailing plants in the soil, ensuring you have enough room to grow. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. If you like these ideas, like the video, click the subscribe.